It can be really helpful to get a good understanding of how to deal with your worksheets.
There are a couple ways that you can insert a new worksheet. The easiest one is just to click this plus symbol at the end of the worksheet names, and that will insert a worksheet. You can also go to the Home tab, and then from Insert, you can select Insert Sheet. You could also just right-click and say Insert a worksheet. Now, if you want to delete a worksheet, you can just use that delete option here, delete sheet, or you can right-click on it and select delete. That's the one I use. Note that once you've deleted a worksheet, you can't undo it. That one's a permanent deletion. Most of the time, I'll just insert a sheet by duplicating one of my existing sheets. This will allow me to keep any formatting or use any headers or things of that nature that already existed. So to do that, you can just hold Control and then click on the worksheet name and drag it, and it will produce a duplicate. Then you'll just rename it to whatever you want it to be.